Hi guys, my name's Jen. I'm in my living room. I needed something to fill up the space in the middle here, so I got this coffee table. It is absolutely amazing. It's made of really nice bamboo wood. It's beautiful, it's hard, it's not going to go anywhere, it's very sturdy, and it's very easy to set up. So there is a rack at the bottom. You can just take the rack off here. And the feet go in. You just do this. And that is it. It's really beautiful. It's lightweight. You can put it away if you want. If you have company, you can just bring it out and put it out and make your room look nice and beautiful. So I highly recommend this table.